This is a historic building in downtown Portland on Exchange Street. So we were approached by a building owner who recently partnered with Steve Parker, Jim Brady, to renovate the top 3 floors. So the biggest challenge with this project is that they wanted to do a historic renovation, which means we really had to honor the building the way it was built. By opening it up, we decided, we'd let in more light, renovate the windows, renovate the exterior, increase the energy efficiency, and we basically tried to bring a much more modern aesthetic to the interior that still honors the historic integrity of the entire building. Some of the distinctive parts of this building would be the historic nature of the streetscape facade. It's not often you're given a building that has such a presence. We ended up really focusing all the modern moves and expressions on the interior while restoring the exterior and being very careful about doing that. Being a load-bearing masonry wall and our goal being to insulate it and make it much more energy efficient is a real challenge. I don't know how unique it is to say that we love Portland and we love the Old Port. Maybe that combination with our passion for sustainability and bringing that to every project. Also our ability to really understand the building science behind some of these older wall assemblies, especially the masonry, the windows and the glazing. We can energy model the whole building and even hygrothermically model the walls. Not that we actually did that, but we did bring in specialists. We knew when we were out over the front of our skis and how to get ourselves back. My favorite feature would be the 4th floor. You get the full sense of the structure of the building, like these large trusses that were used to hold up the roof. It's a very unique roof form. To be able to keep them, open it up, add a dormer to bring in a lot of southern light and really transform that space. Their favorite part was probably finally finishing, I'm guessing, but it may also be the 3rd floor and having that large volume open up, because I think they experienced the building in its previous state. I learned that this type of structure requires a lot more work. I knew that then. If I went back in time and told myself, hey, this is going to be a lot harder than you think, I'd be like, no. I know it's going to be harder than I think. The number of phone calls, the number of issues, the number of site visits became very plentiful. Maybe a little bit stronger investigation and interrogation of the building and the structure. I'd love to thank Jim Brady, Steve Parker, Fathom Properties. You can't have a good project without good owners. Warren Construction, and everyone who worked with them and under them, especially Titan Mechanical, Ripcord Engineering for helping us out, and L&L Structural. From our office, Ian Parlin absolutely was a champion of this project and may not have happened without him.